Hello everybody, this is Yellow again, and today I'm showing you the wrist pass. Again, yes. Last time it actually failed. I cut myself and I thought, let's just put it on YouTube so people can see that playing with a butterfly knife isn't that safe or good for your fingers, and, well, quite some cuts. Not there, but there a lot. Especially this serrated edge hurts a lot. But let's just get started. What I want to show is the wrist pass. So, like that. So what you're gonna do, and this is the safe way how to practice it. Gonna grab the safe handle, and if you're gonna do it the original way, you hold the bite handle. That's the one with the clip on it, the latch. So safe way, you cannot get hurt by this edge, so it's the safe handle. So flip it over, and you hold it like horizontally, and you just flip it like that, and you want to do is this motion. Just gonna turn it, and all you're gonna do then is just open up, close it again, like that. And if you're gonna do the original way, the blade is pointing forward, so it's ready to stab or something. I don't know what you want to do. So to close it again is a bit more difficult if you want to do it the hard way with the edge, but it's just like this. If you're gonna do it good, it doesn't hurt. So it is just this kind of motion here, like a turn, and then grab it over, and same way back. It's just you only flip it over at the end here, so it's not like this and then flip it over. That's also possible, but I wouldn't recommend it. You just flip it over and flip it in. So that's the wrist pass. Hope you enjoy it, and stay safe, because it's not a toy. Unless you have a trainee knife, though. Like the one with the both flat edges. Or a comb could also be possible.